Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Cora. Hopefully everybody's keeping safe out there. Well, today I have an unboxing for you for the Louis Vuitton Escale Summer 2020 collection in the mini pochette. So I got it here. It's all nice and gift wrapped. Just go ahead and open this. I just got it a few days ago, about a week before it says it was going to be delivered, so that came as a nice surprise. The box. And then, oh, here is the dust bag. Oh, that's cute. So here it is in the monogram giant canvas in a tie-dye print. That's on the front. And here's the other side with the regular size monogram size. And this is obviously in the pastel pink, with the pastel pink has yellow, light blue, lavender or lilac color, and the pink. And then it also comes with the silver color hardware and chain. This one says it is made in France. Okay. And this is actually my first mini pochette, so I don't really have anything else to compare it to. Inside, let me just take out the tags. Okay, and then here is the inside, with also looks like a smaller print of the monogram LV in the periwinkle or lilac color, which is similar to the lining in the Speedy Bandolier 30, which I did on my first video. And it says the size of this is 6.10 inches in length, 4.13 inches in height, and on the width it's about 1.57 inches. Again, so this is my first mini pochette. Not really sure what would fit in here, but I know, I have my phone here and doesn't look like it would fit. So let me know in the comments what you guys put in your mini pochette, so I can have an idea of what I would put in here. Maybe some chapsticks, some credit cards, some cash if I need to just grab it and go. But it's very cute, just like the Speedy Bandolier 30. The colors are beautiful, summery, spring-like pastel colors, and it's just vibrant, and when I look at it, it just looks happy, especially during these challenging times. It's nice to look at. There you go. Well, thank you for watching. I've been stalking the Louis Vuitton website, and it just so happens that today the Louis Vuitton Neo Noe in the Escale Summer Collection came back in stock. So I was able to grab one, and hopefully I'll get it here soon, hopefully in the next couple weeks, and I'll be able to do another unboxing then. So if you guys are interested, definitely come back to my channel just to check out another unboxing for that. Okay, hope you guys are keeping safe and you're taking care. Bye.